Welcome back to another lesson. If you are a rapper, singer, songwriter, music producer, or just someone who wants to understand music better, my goal is to help you reach your maximum potential, help you increase your skill level, and also help you monetize your music skills online. So guys, in this lesson, we are learning the D flat major scale. And for us to understand the D flat major scale, we're going to be answering 5 questions. And the first question is, what is the C major scale? The second question is, what are the intervals in a major scale? The third question is how to understand the D flat major scale. The fourth question is, what is the difference between D flat major and C major? Then lastly, what is the major scale structure? So guys, if you're interested in music, stay tuned. Yeah, so in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the D flat major scale. And for us to understand the D flat major scale, it's very important to understand that D flat is also known as C sharp. D flat is also known as C sharp. And D flat is also known as C sharp means that they are enharmonically equivalent, which means that this note, it has the same sound, but it has a different name. So D flat is the same as C sharp. Now, when it comes to understanding the D flat major scale, it is very important for you to understand the Coinbase saying that I'm going to be teaching you, which says, David eats greens and bananas. David eats greens and bananas. So David is D flat, eats is E flat, greens is G flat, A is A flat, then B is B flat. So guys, the D flat major scale has 5 flats, which is D flat, E flat, F sharp, or G flat, A flat, and B flat. So when it comes to playing the D flat major scale, first is very important for you to start playing with the left hand, then with the right hand. So when it comes to the left hand, this is finger number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So when it comes to playing the D flat major scale, we are going to be starting with the finger number 3. So it will sound like this. So that is with your left hand. So it has 5 flats: D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. So that is with your left hand. Then when it comes to the right hand you're going to be starting playing with the second finger. So finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, finger number 4, finger number 5. So it will sound like this. So remember that it has 5 flats. So guys, with both hands it will sound like this. Let me play it with both hands. So when you're starting, it's very important to focus on timing rather than on speed. So we're going to be playing small. We're going to be playing slowly. So I've said that when you're starting, it's very important to focus on timing rather than on speed. So we are going to be playing slowly. So let me play it with both hands. Yeah, so guys, that is the D flat major scale. So the D flat major scale has 5 flats: D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. Then I've taught you that D flat is the same as C sharp, which means that they are enharmonically equivalent, which means that it is the same note, but it has the same sound, but it has a different name. So enharmonically equivalent means that D flat is the same as C sharp, which means that it is the same note, but it has a different name. Then when it comes to playing with both hands, so when it comes to playing with both hands, focus on timing rather than on speed. Yeah, so guys, that has been the lesson. I hope that I've added value to you. So now to our first question. So the first question was, what is the C major scale? And the C major scale are the white notes on the piano. Let me write it. So the C major scale are the white notes on the piano. So guys, that is the C major scale, the white notes on the piano. So the C major scale, let me just write it with my black pen. So it is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, this is the C major scale. Very simple, the white notes on the piano. So what is the C major scale? The C major scale are the white notes on the piano. Let us answer our second question. So our second question is, what are the intervals in a major scale? And let me teach you what are the intervals in a major scale. So the intervals in a major scale is, first we have a root note. Let me use the other pen. So we have a root note, then we have a major second, then we have a major third, then we have a perfect fourth, then we have a perfect fifth, then we have a major sixth, then we have a major seventh, then back to the octave. So guys, these are the intervals in a major scale. So we have a root note, we have a major second, we have a major third, we have a perfect fourth, we have a perfect fifth, we have a major sixth, we have a major seventh, then we have an octave. So our second question was, what are the intervals in a major scale? The intervals are number 1, root note, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, octave. Root note, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, octave. Now let us answer our third question. So our third question is, how do you understand the D flat major scale? So guys, for you to understand the D flat major scale, I'm going to be teaching you a coin-based saying which says, David eats greens and bananas. So David is D flat, it is E flat, G is G flat, A flat, B flat. David eats greens and bananas. So the D flat major scale has 5 flats. So it will look like this: D flat, E flat, then we have F, then we have G flat, A flat, B flat, C, then D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, this is the D flat major scale. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. So actually the key to understanding the D flat major scale is for you to understand it has 5 flats. Once you understand it has 5 flats, you're going to be good. Now let us answer our fourth question. So our fourth question was, what is the difference between D flat and C major? Which is very simple. Actually, the difference is that D flat has 5 flats and then C major scale has the white notes on the piano. Let me write it. So D flat has 5 flats, which are D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat, while the C major scale has the white notes on the piano, which are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So guys, that is the difference between D flat major and C major. D flat major has 5 flats, C major, the white notes on the piano. Now let us answer our final question. So our final question is, how do you understand the major scale structure? So guys, first to understand the C major scale structure, I'm going to be giving you a chord bass saying which says 2 whales have 3 whales houses. Hope that you can say it good. 2 whales have 3 whales houses. So let me show you how it applies. So 2 whales is whole step, whole step. Has is half step, then we have whole step, whole step, whole step, then half step. So guys, this is the Coinbase saying for the major scale structure. 2 whales have 3 whales houses, which now means that for the major scale, it is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. And guys, remember that a whole step is also known as a tone, and a semitone is a half step. So guys, that has been the lesson. So our final question was, how do you understand the major scale structure? 2 whales have 3 whales houses. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. So guys, that has been the lesson. I hope that I've added value to you, and let us meet in another lesson.